divorcee.
Yeah.
That if that any people divorced, the people is not happy with each other. So that time divorce, that the word is coming on the divorcee, the people is not taking in a good manner. So what do you think about it?
I think that's a really sad situation because first of all, getting married itself is a really big thing.
Right.
And then having to go through a divorce because of it, whether you actually like the person or not, it's going to be like it's going to have a really big effect on your mental state and your mental health.
Correct.
So on top of all of that, if your marriage was really bad, like if it was a really bad marriage and then you somehow managed to end it and you got a divorce, and then people are looking at you in this way that is not favorable, in this really negative way, simply because you got a divorce, then that's a really sad thing. So I think that's not something that we should, take part in or that we should encourage. It's something that we actually should work against.